Hey, so for this problem, it wants us to describe the function, and the function they gave us is negative f of t plus 32. Give me just a second. So this problem wants us to describe the graph. So we have this plus 32 on the inside, and we have this negative right here. So some things that we're trying to learn for this lesson is that if we have a function, let's say a function looks like this. Let's say this is our f of x. F of x plus 1 is going to take all of these points and move them up 1. So then we're going to get a new function like this. Alrighty? And then our f of x minus 1 is going to take all of our points and move them down 1 unit. So we're going to get something like this. Alright? And if we have f of x plus 1, this is going to take our whole function and move it to the left 1 unit. And our f of x minus 1 is going to take our whole function and move it to the right 1 unit. All right. So this is just something that you've kind of got to learn. It's kind of backwards. It feels weird that this plus 1 right here tells us we're moving it to the left, and this minus 1 tells us we're moving it to the right. That feels kind of weird, but it's just one of those things you kind of got to memorize for this. So looking at this, let's look at our inside stuff first. So we have minus f of t plus 32. So this plus 32 tells me I'm moving it to the left 32 units. All right. So we're moving it to the left 32 units. And then this negative out front tells me that what I'm going to do is take all of my values and then flip their sign. So if I took this and multiplied it by a negative, it would bring it down here. Same, I would take this one and bring it down here. This one will go down here. This will go here. And this is kind of a little misleading, but it takes it and flips all the signs. So what it does is it rotates it about the x-axis. So it's like if you took from the x-axis and you just flipped it. So we're going to flip it across the x-axis. Flip it across the x-axis. So we have this plus 32, which tells us we're moving it to the left 32 units, and then we're going to flip it across the x-axis.